fire broke out in an apartment complex in downtown Burlington. This, of course, happening in the middle of this winter storm.
Yeah, NBC5's Lauren Granada is live outside 199 King Street, where it all happened. Lauren, what can you tell us?
Well, Sarah Bethenzer, there's a lot to look at behind me here. Crews are actively still assessing the damage. You can see some firefighters up on a ladder there. They look to be taking pictures of inside. But it took several hours and multiple crews to battle the flames, and this weather certainly didn't make any of it easier.
Fire crews tapping on ladder hoses trying to get water running as they battle flames and frost on the top floor of 199 King Street in Burlington.
When we get winter storm warnings, we increase our staffing.
But the snow and icy conditions didn't help departments from surrounding towns as they arrived for backup.
When you call them back and getting mutual aid from outside agencies, it takes a while for people to get here, and second and third crews to be available.
This exact building caught on fire about 1 year ago, killing 2 people. And while the building has been vacant since then, fire officials are unsure if anyone was actually inside at the time of this fire.
We put crews in there to try and do a search of the building, make sure that no one was in the building still. But with crews had to back out because of the volume of fire in there.
Now, again, they are still assessing the damage. No word yet on a cause of this fire. We're live in Burlington. Lauren Granada, NBC5 News.